Mia is 4 years old. She is a happy little girl. She loves to play with her toys and talk to her mommy and daddy. One day, her mommy's belly starts to get big. Mia asks, "Mommy, why is your belly so big?" Mommy smiles and says, "There is a baby inside my belly, Mia. You will have a baby brother soon." Mia opens her eyes wide. "A baby brother? Really?" Mommy nods and laughs. "Yes, Mia, you will be a big sister." Mia is very excited. Every day, she talks to Mommy's belly. She says, "Hello, baby. I am Mia, your big sister. I can't wait to play with you." Mommy says, "The baby can hear you, Mia. He knows your voice." Mia touches Mommy's belly and laughs. She tells all her friends at school about the baby. She says, "My mommy has a baby in her belly. I will be a big sister soon." One night, Mommy and Daddy are talking in the kitchen. Mommy looks at Daddy and says, "I think it's time. The baby is coming soon." Daddy grabs the car keys and says, "We have to go to the hospital." Mia is a little scared. She asks, "What's happening?" Daddy smiles and says, "Don't worry, Mia. The baby is coming. We will see him soon." Mia stays with Grandma. She asks Grandma, "When will my baby brother come?" Grandma says, "Very soon, Mia. Maybe tonight." Mia tries to sleep, but she is too excited. She keeps thinking about the baby. She asks, "Will the baby play with me? Will he be my friend?" Grandma smiles and says, "Yes, Mia, the baby will love you very much." In the morning, Daddy comes home. He is smiling big. Mia runs to him and asks, "Where is Mommy? Where is the baby?" Daddy hugs Mia and says, "The baby is here. Mommy is at the hospital. Do you want to see your baby brother?" Mia jumps up and down. "Yes, yes. I want to see him now." Daddy takes Mia to the hospital. When they walk into the room, Mia sees Mommy. Mommy is holding a tiny baby in her arms. Mia runs to Mommy and asks, "Is that the baby? He is so small." Mommy says, "Yes, Mia. This is your baby brother. He is a newborn, so he is very small." Mia looks at her baby brother. He has little hands and little feet. She touches his hand and says, "He is so soft." Mommy smiles and asks, "Do you want to hold him?" Mia is scared. She says, "I am too small. I might drop him." Daddy laughs and says, "Don't worry, Mia. I will help you." Mia sits in a big chair. Daddy gently puts the baby in her arms. Mia holds him carefully. She whispers, "Hi, baby brother. I am Mia, your big sister." The baby looks at her with his tiny eyes. Mia feels very happy. She hugs him softly and says, "I will take care of you, baby." When they go home, the baby sleeps a lot. He also cries sometimes. Mia asks, "Mommy, why does the baby cry?" Mommy says, "The baby cries when he is hungry or tired. He is very small, so he needs a lot of care." Mia wants to help. She brings the baby's blanket when he is sleepy. She brings Mommy a bottle when the baby is hungry. Mia sings songs to the baby. She sings, "Sleep, baby brother. I am here with you." Sometimes the baby holds Mia's finger. She giggles and says, "Look, Mommy. He is holding my hand." Mommy says, "He likes you, Mia. You're a good big sister." Mia helps Daddy, too. She helps to change the baby's clothes and bring toys for him. The baby smiles when Mia plays with him. Mia feels proud. She tells Daddy, "I love being a big sister. The baby is my best friend." One day, the family goes to the park. Mommy and Daddy push the baby in a stroller, and Mia walks next to them. She looks at the baby and says, "When the baby is bigger, we can play together." Daddy says, "Yes, Mia, you can teach him many things." Mia smiles. She hugs her mommy and says, "Thank you for my baby brother. I love him." At night, Mia says goodnight to the baby. She whispers, "Good night, baby brother. I will always take care of you. Mommy watches and smiles. She tells Mia, "You are the best big sister." Mia feels happy. She knows she will always love and protect her baby brother.